concentrate. 17th question. Look at the 17th. Both of you. I think all are participating in that event, right? What do you call that? What is it, Alicia? You type. First question. Prove that x of a divided by x of b into a plus b. X of b divided by x minus c, b plus c. Next, x of c divided by x of a, students. X of a to the whole power c plus a. This is the first question. Both of you will answer. Use product law and quotient law. Is the base same? The base is same for both. Then what do you do with a and b, students? If the base is same for division, do you add or subtract? Then we have a plus b. Next, tell me the next one. X plus b minus c into. Yeah, next one. No, c minus a, right? C minus. What is a plus b into a minus b formula? A plus b into a minus b. A square minus. Yeah, tell me the next one. That's it. Next one. Okay, how do you solve this question? X to the power of 5 into x to the power of 3. When the base is same, what do you do? Add or subtract? 5 plus 3. In the same way, when the base is same, what do you do with the power a square minus b square? Add or subtract? Plus square minus b square plus c square minus a square. Tell me which one gets cancelled. Next, everything gets cancelled. X to the power of 1 is nothing but x. What's the question asked? Prove that x is equals to 1. Can you see x is equals to 1? You have to prove it as 1, students. Look at. I'll tell you how to prove. What is 1 minus 1? What is 1 minus 1? 1 minus 1 is 0. In the same way, x to the power of 3 minus 3. What is 3 minus? In the same way, everything is getting cancelled, students. If everything gets cancelled, x to the power of 0. What is anything to the power of 0? Not x. 1. Complete. Yes, completed. Oh. Both of you completed? Now, a square minus b square, students. We used a square minus b square. Look at the next one. X into a divided by x into b. What is it given? Can you check and let me know? Is it 1 by ab into x to the power of b divided by x to the power of c? Then 1 by 1 by bc. Next, xc minus xa 1 by ac. You have to prove that when you solve this, it becomes 1, right? It should be 1. Very simple concept. Now, see, if you are multiplying the base, students, what do you get when the powers are same? You add or subtract. Division. For division, add or subtract. You have to subtract, right? If I subtract like this, students, outside what do we have? Outside we have 1 by ab, right? So when you multiply this, what do you get? X to the power of a minus b divided by, yes, complete for the other values. Not just copying, Delisha, completed. What do you get? Next. Uh, if all three base is same and multiplication is given, add or subtract. What do you get? Plus BC plus C minus A divided by AC. Take LCM, students. Take LCM. Write all the denominators once. What are the denominators present? What are the denominators? A, B, and C, right? What is missing? In the first one, what is missing? Multiply by, when you multiply, what you get? Multiply by C. When you open the bracket, you get AC minus BC plus what is missing in the second one? Multiply A numerator. When you open the bracket, AB minus, next, B. BC minus, which one gets cancelled in numerator? Hmm. Minus AC plus C. Minus BC. Everything gets cancelled, right? So we have x to the power of 0 by ABC. What is 0 by any value, students? 0. X to the power of 0 is 1. Yes, completed. Yes. 13th question. Okay, I'll solve it. Delish. After this, we'll solve the 13th. Next question to last. See, ma'am has marked Abigail or somebody told that ma'am had marked the third one. 17th main third one. So last question. A divided by x into b. It's a very lengthy question, so do it properly. A minus b into x to the power of b xc c minus a into x to the power of c divided by x to the power of a into c plus a minus b is equals to 1, students, is equals to 1. Yes, all of you tell me this. How will you all solve? I mean, both of you tell me how do you solve? Yes, respond. When division is given, what do you do? A minus in plus minus. It is going to be a lengthy question. Next, b minus c into b plus c minus a into c plus a. Okay, how do you use bracket rule, students? How do you use bracket rule and multiply? Yes. For this, how do you use bracket rule? Very good. You have to take a and multiply with a plus b minus. Then you take minus b and multiply with b minus. Yes, you can do it like this, students. If you want, see, you can do like this. Take all three values. Next, for the second one, what's the second one? B into then minus c into b plus c minus. Even write it like this. C into, yes, complete this. Open the bracket. Check which one gets cancelled. C plus a minus b. Open with the bracket, students. What is minus a into b? Minus ab. What is minus b plus b, students? Minus b into plus b is minus b square plus cb. Yes. Completed. Delicia. Which one gets cancelled? AB and AB, right? Next one. Yeah, next one, what do you get, students? B square plus, then not minus. No. Let's say which one gets cancelled? Okay, next one. Yeah, next one. Minus BC, right? Minus AC minus A square plus AB. So here this gets cancelled, correct? And all three are multiplication, right? All three are multi. Now write this back to the normal question, student. Write it like this: x to the power of A square. What is left? Minus AC plus into next one B square minus. Yes, write it in the first way. First, how we used to write it in that way. Minus AB minus C square plus AC. Next, C square minus BC plus AB. All the base same, all three base same, and multiplication in between. Then what we do? Plus B square minus AB minus C square plus AC. Next, plus C square minus BC minus A square plus AB. Yeah, tell me which one gets cancelled, student. Do we have two base square? One plus another one is minus. Everything will get cancelled. Even in exam, if you have written the signs wrong, if you have written the sign wrong, don't worry, just cancel it out. Everything will get cancelled. Look here. Next, do we have minus AC plus AC? Right? Minus B square plus B square. What about CB? BC, CB, both are same. Yes, same. But everything got cancelled. One. So this is a lengthy question. It may take some time, but definitely you'll get the answer. X to the power of 0 is what? Completed, Delisha and Ananya. Which question did you ask? 13th question here I've written already. We have done that day. We did, right? Which one, Delisha? 13th one? That is what I've written here. And if it's correct. Okay, you tell me both of your answer. Let us solve 13th one. 5 into 25 n plus 1 plus minus 25 into divided by. Okay, tell me, students, tell me the value for this. First, how do I write 25? Both of your answer. 5 into 5 square. If you open the bracket, what do you get? If you open the bracket, 5 square, right? Into 5 to the power of 5. When you open the bracket, 2n plus 3. Next, no, 2n plus. Okay, now separate it. Now this, even this 5 square, you can just keep it as it is, students. Numbers don't need to convert. Remember the concept, numbers you don't have to convert, just keep it as it is. How do you split this? 5 to the power of 2n. When plus is given, multiply or divide? Multiply. Is it correct? Delicia, you just separate all the variables and constants. Okay. Tell me the next one, Delicia. How do you separate the variable and constant here? 5 to the power of 2n for plus. Yes, Delicia, respond, unmute the call. Or Ananya, tell me into 5 divided. 5 plus. Plus meaning is multiplication, right? Okay, tell me what is common in the numerator. Everything we have 5 to the power of 2n. Take it out, common. 5 into 25 minus divided by. Delicious, when you respond, you asked me doubt and you left the class. Then respond. Why not responding? Are you busy messaging, texting friends? Then tell me, I'm asking you only. Ananya is answering. What is common denominator? Reminder. 5 cube is how much? 5 cube is minus. So these two gets cancelled. See, use board mass students. Multiply 5 into 25. How much is 5 into 25? Don't cancel 125 and 25. Delisha and Ananya, you all shouldn't cancel that students. There is plus and minus in between. Multiply 5 into 125 and 5 into 25. Hmm. 4 or 625? 125 minus 25 is 100. 100 divided by 600. What's the answer? 1 by 6 is the answer. That's it? Done? Fine. So nobody attended. Enough students. We'll end the class. Ananya, any other doubts? What about Delicia?